Uh,
All right. Tu dia
okay.
Doctor. Mhm.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to Dr. Zarifah Muhammad Zulperi
Waalaikumsalam
from
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
University Putra Malaysia, which is expert
Mhm.
in plant pathology in doctor studies. My name is
Mhm.
Muhammad Iqbal Rizam bin Zamrani, will be like a moderator for today. First of
Mhm.
all, thank you, Doctor, for spending your time in order to
Mhm.
complete our assignment in fundamentals of plant pathology subject.
Mhm.
Okay, now let's proceed to our first question, Doctor.
Mhm.
Will be asked by Desmond. Okay, Desmond, proceed.
Okay, Desmond.
Okay, Doctor, my first question is what inspired Doctor to
Mhm.
enter the field of plant disease or pest
Okay.
management, and how did Doctor career develop to where Doctor are today?
Oh, what inspire? What inspire? Because I love to study about science, and I did my master in Master of Science, studying on animal diseases. So for PhD, when I did my PhD, I felt like I want to try something new, something other than animal diseases. So I chose plant diseases. And then I was lucky that I was appointed as a tutor in Department of Plant Protection, Faculty of Agriculture, back in 2007. And then that led my path to plant pathology. Then I pursue my PhD in plant pathology, studying on in specific in bacteriology, plant diseases related to phytopathogenic bacteria. Alright. Ada question apa ya? Saya dah lupa.
Okay, for the second and third question will be
Hmm.
asked by Nabil. Nabil, please proceed, Nabil.
Tadi bukan ada
Okay.
there was like another question by Desmond about career in plant pathology kan?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Let's proceed
Yeah,
to this one question first.
because I did my PhD in plant pathology. So I was appointed as a tutor, and I was designed to take. I was designed in charge of plant pathology, and so my PhD, I was asked by the department to have my PhD study related to plant bacterial diseases. Okay, so that leads after my PhD. So I was appointed as a senior lecturer in Department of Plant Protection, Faculty of Agriculture, UPM. And that leads to more and more researches in bacteriology. Right.
Okay. Desmond, another question from you, Desmond. I think.
Uh, I think that's for first question. That's all.
Oh,
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Desmond. All right, most welcome.
okay, we proceed to the second and third question that will be asked by Nabil. Nabil, let's proceed, Nabil.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you, Ikwan. So, for the next question, Doctor,
Mm-hmm.
we want to ask, within what geographic area do you currently work, and what plant or pest type do you manage?
Okay, so within what geographic area? So it means Peninsula Malaysia, tropical areas. All right. So mostly my research study is basically on banana diseases, especially on fusarium, and also moco disease and blood disease of banana. And then I also currently have a major study in phytopathogenic bacteria that cause bronzing disease of jackfruit in Peninsula Malaysia. So, bronzing disease of jackfruit is caused by a bacterium known as Menthoia stewardtii. So, that was part of my major study, my major current study in our lab. And I also did a study on, so I also have my current study, other than jackfruit and banana, is on rice diseases, especially on bacterial panicle blight diseases caused by Bucoliria glume.
Okay, doctor. That's very clear.
Mhm.
So the next question, what do you enjoy the most about this job?
Okay, first, I have two major things that I cherish the most. So first was to publish and to have to contribute to community, sorry, to contribute to scientific community on our discovery, our results, in mostly in publication. And the secondly, the thing that I cherish the most is talent development. Is to when I graduated my student, mostly my FYP, my postgraduate student, I feel like that is that is the most cherished moment in my life, because you know I could lead to maybe a bit of a bit better future for my students, you know, so that they would have a job by graduated their bachelor degree, by master degree, PhD degree, so that they could have a better life, a better future, a better job, landed a maybe most of them maybe working in, maybe some of them are currently working in research, R&D, mostly in MRD, in a private company. So that makes me happy, and that makes me that I am so grateful that I could have that, um, I could contribute a part for talent development in their life.
Okay, thank you,
All
doctor.
right.
That's very inspiring. Maybe all of us can be like you someday.
Okay,
Okay.
boleh lah buat FYP dengan saya.
InsyaAllah,
Kan
doctor.
tak, kan tak ada FYP?
Tak ada
Tak ada.
FYP doktor.
Tak ada. Alamak. Okay lah, boleh bersama maybe sama PhD master dengan saya.
InsyaAllah, doctor.
Alright. Ada lagi soalan?
Okay, now let's proceed to the fourth question. Desmond.
Okay, it's me again, doctor.
Desmond lagi.
Yeah.
Kenapa Azamuddin dengan Izanuddin senyap-senyap je?
Nanti
Kan
orang
nanti.
doktor ada turn orang.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, this question, what has been the hardest thing for doctor to overcome managing plant disease in Malaysia?
Hardest thing is about on how to come up with the right management strategies to control a disease that is currently epidemic. For example, when I did my PhD, for example, the Muco disease and blood disease of banana. So how to control, to come up with best management strategies to control this disease. And currently, we are also facing the same situation with bacterial panicle black disease of rice, on how to control this disease. You know, to come up with the best solution, best management, best control strategies, so that we could at least, because bacterial panicle black disease is a current major pandemic disease of rice in especially in Peninsula Malaysia. So we are, growers and also researchers like us, we are working hard to, to come up with the best solution to